Welcome back, guys. My name is Justin, and I'm here with my friend Joe, your sneaker care technicians, and we're going to be cleaning the Jordan 4 Bred. So here we have the Air Jordan 4 Bred, very iconic sneaker. It is the 2012 release, as you can see with the Jumpman logo here on the heel. Yeah, these shoes are actually coming out in May again, re-releasing. What do you think, Joe? You think you're going to get these or what?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, this is an iconic shoe. I think to most sneakerheads, we call this what we call a grail. So that's basically what that is, and that's just like one you just can't live without.
Yeah, and these shoes are actually really easy to clean. It's made out of nubuck, so all you need is that premium brush when going over them.
Do not be intimidated by the material. It's easier than it looks.
So here's what we'll need to clean the shoe. Our Markk premium shoe cleaner, our standard brush, a premium brush, a bowl of clean water, and a clean microfiber towel. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do in cleaning this shoe is dry brush it with a premium brush. So I'm just gonna go over the shoe like this.
And the reason why you want to use a premium brush is, for one, it's gentle. For two, the standard brush will leave scratch marks on it. And with a shoe like this, how we mentioned how much it means to a sneakerhead, we definitely don't want to do that. So he's gonna go ahead and take off the top layer of most of the dirt, and then we'll be able to have a smooth ride while we're cleaning it.
Yeah, and obviously looking at it, it looks pretty clean already.
Yeah, and you
haven't
can see
even wet the shoe yet.
It literally, that's exactly what dry brushing is for. So now that we've dry brushed the uppers on the shoe, we're gonna wanna move on to the midsole. But cleaning this midsole, you wouldn't wanna clean it like you would any other midsole. You wanna start with the premium brush, just because this paint is known for being super thin and it could be very delicate. As looking on the inside of the 2012 pair, we have a notorious crack right here that I'm sure most of you know about, and that's what we don't want to chip off. So we want to keep that as minimal as possible. Maybe use a standard brush in a more rougher area, but as far as right here, let's keep it premium. So he's going to apply some solution to the brush, dipping it back in the water, and he's just going to go ahead and attack the rest of the shoe. Now, as you can see, the paint's still intact. There's really no flaking. It's very minimal. It's being gentle, doing its job.
And don't forget the air bubble here. There's always leftover dirt right here. And yeah, when you see cracking there on the midsoles, you know, just use your best judgment when cleaning. Try to be delicate because, you know, it can come off. And that just goes with everything, you know, just use your best judgment when cleaning shoes.
That definitely helps. You know, be smart about it. It's your shoe. You pay a lot of money for it. You know, treat it like how much you pay for it. So after cleaning the midsoles, as you can see, they cleaned up great. We're gonna move on to the uppers. And in order to do that, we're gonna need to remove the laces first. Cool.
This takes like around like an hour or so. Bam. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is grab a premium brush. I'm gonna dip it in the water, pour the solution over, and then just go ahead and attack the shoe.
And then I think the new one that's coming out is gonna have the Nike logo on the back.
Yeah, man.
We all love that. Pretty much that nostalgic.
That retro feel.
You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a good feel when you see that Nike and Jordan collab on the same shoe. Although they're very close, it's just nice to see. This might be a one-shot.
Go ahead and get the premium microfiber towel. And just dry up the shoe as best as you can.
Yep.
And I just put a little bit of solution and it already got foamy.
Yeah. Literally, that's what it is, man. It just makes it easier for you. You know, it's just literally, sometimes it could be a go over one time. Sometimes you might have to go over it twice, but at the end of the day, the results speak on its own. So now that we finished cleaning the shoe, Justin went outside to go let it air dry. We're gonna finish up these laces now. So first, I'm gonna add a few drops of solution just right into my hand. Nothing crazy. Just go ahead and dip it in the bowl of water. Let it get saturated for a bit so you can create a nice foam with it. And just kind of do it as if you're washing your hands. That's how I look at it. Kind of go back and forth, in between, kind of scrunch it up. Make sure you're doing your best to get all the dirt out of it. Kind of put it back in the bowl one more time so a lot of the dirt can fall off and stay in there. Now we're gonna take the towel and just run right through it. Cool, and we'll let these air dry as well. Yo, where is this guy with the shoes? Yo, Justin, what's good with those shoes, man?
Hold up, on my way. Y'all ready?
Let's see what you got, bro. Nice.
Hey,
Man, as you can see after letting them air dry, they look amazing, man. Good as new. I couldn't tell if this was the 2019 pair or the 2012 pair. Straight up. As we see, we do got some normal, cracks down here that we warned you about in the beginning. Those are still there. None of them were intensified by the scrubbing from the premium brush, and that's why we used it. But as you see, the shoe is great. It's good as new. Everything is off of it.
Yeah, and guys, if you're not picking up that 2019 pair, you could always keep your 2012s and just clean them with the Jason Markk kit, and they'll look good. Thank you for watching Jason Markk Secret Care 101. Hopefully this video was helpful.
Yo, wait. Should we do it?
What, it?
No, man. I mean,
Oh.
give the shoe away.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's give it to somebody. So look, check it out. Like, subscribe, and comment, and we're gonna choose a winner very soon. Can't tell you when, but we're gonna choose very soon. And they're a size. What size are they, man? I think
They
7 and a
are
half.
7.5 men's.
7.5. I know that's a lot of you out there. So do it now. Like, subscribe, comment, all three, just to see who we can pick to win these.